Harry Boxer at thetechnicaltrader.com. And we had another good day trading in the site. I wanted to show you some of our best trades and invite you to come join us. If you take a look at the alphabetically Alpha Protech APT benefiting from the mask mandates that are happening, this stock popped from the get-go and then pulled back on a falling wedge. It was a 1, 2, 3 wave corrective wedge and came on low volume. When I said when this thing breaks out, we're going to go long, pop right there at about 960. Within 30 minutes, 25 minutes, we're trading at almost 1060. Coiled for a couple hours and then broke out again, exploded from 9.5 all the way up to 11.5, double topped, and we got most of our people out, and it was coming down right there, or at my target 11.5, depending on what your profit targets were. Anyway, you can see that it did fade the rest of the day. CLS was another, when it started out with a pop and a little wedge. I looked at that 3-wave corrective, and I said, we break out of this wedge, we're going to go long. I was right there at about 8:15, and within a half an hour, it tagged 8:58. Went coiling the rest of the day, and then after hours, it popped up to 885. So a nice trade. It never broke support, and if you held it all day, it would have made really nice change. INTZ, take a look at this little pop and little mini coil, little wedge there, little volume add. When it came out of there, that's where we went long on that bar at about 430. And within minutes, it was halted twice and jumped to 637, 2 points. Pulled back on a falling wedge, and when it snapped out, I said, this is going probably retest the highs or better. From that level, we went to about 417. It was high as 7.25. Double top there, and then came down. But a great day trade at techtrader.com for those. RGN was a pre-market pick. I said if the stock pops out of its consolidation, after it opened, it consolidated. It had a falling wedge. That's where he went long, coming across the VWAP. At about 213.75, my targets were 221.2 and then 227.8. And we reached just under 227. Nice gain of 19 points on the day. SGOC, late in the day, it popped out of nowhere. When it went through these lines, I went long on about the $9 range. Halted at 977, halted at 11, at which point I said, this had a very, very quick, sharp move. Time to take some profits. Well, it came down and then bounced. That was your opportunity. It came down again. Fell into a falling wedge by the end of the day. Maybe watch tomorrow. And SPRT, they also popped. When I saw it come to that resistance line with volume right there, we went long at 740. Tagged 9 within minutes, had a falling wedge, and then ripped to almost 11, 1086. Really nice trade there from about the 7.5 area to 1085 area. And that only took about an hour and a half. Not even that, 45 minutes, sorry about that. So that's it for some of the trades at thetechtrader.com. I invite everybody to come join us at thetechtrader.com. Sign up for 10 days of free trial, and you can get all of our services free. So check it out. Come join thetechtrader.com. Bye now.